Mark Johnson with Local Skate Shop gave me these wheels to try out. They're the local shop wheels. So I'm going to put them on and do a little product test. Let's see how it goes. I've got some Hall bearings in, and Hall bearings are really good. So I'm just going to use these old bearings. They're still good to go. I like to ride spacers. Won't get any axle slip with these guys. Push them in there like that. Put the bearing in there. Slide the spacer in. Put the wheel on. Don't forget the washer. You know what? Usually I like to ride the graphic in, but since we're doing a product test, I'm gonna ride the graphic out. Speed ring. Screw it on there. Since it's got the spacer in there, you can tighten it down and you don't have to worry about messing up the bearings. Might be a little bit too tight. We know the bearings are in there. So then loosen it. Oh, there we go. Look at those things. Alright, I'm going to do that with all four, and then we're going to skate the E-Walk ramp and see how it goes. I might even have my buddies Chris and Colin help me out with the product test. Okay, all four wheels on. Let's test them out. All right, since Colin's only about 3 years old and he warms up in 2 seconds, we're gonna have him test out the wheels first.
Hey.
Right, let's see those wheels, Colin.
They're nice.
You like them?
Yeah, they're smooth, fast.
Very nice. All right, I'm really into slide tricks, so I'm gonna go up next and see if I can put these wheels to the test. No flat spots. Good to go. Okay, we're saving the best for last. Chris Patnaude at 450 pounds testing out the local wheels. Let's see those wheels so we know you're not cheating. Yep, those are the local wheels. Looking good, Chris. You got any more tricks for us?
I got one more.
Man, that was really fun. Local wheels are great. Did a lot of slides, lip slides, tail slides, blunt slides. No flat spots. They're really good. Thanks a lot, Local Skate Shop, and thanks a lot, Mark Johnson. Later, guys.